Welcome to this week's LancWest Fest. We're in the tea garden, hence my chocolate fingernails. Yeah, if you want to come gardening, please join us, it's important. But today we are talking about estate inspections. Now, they happen on a regular basis on the Lancaster West estate, often with residents involved. These estate inspections are an opportunity for residents to meet with their neighbourhood manager and our repairs team to review the appearance and cleanliness of their estate and to report any communal repairs or issues. To tell us more about estate inspections on Lancaster West is Daoud Hussain. Welcome.
Hey, Robert.
Welcome. Our neighbourhood manager. So, first question. Tell us what estate inspections are and what they involve.
Okay, yeah, that's a good one. So part of my role is to wander around the estate. I say wander, so that I can look at what's going on in the communal areas, in the gardens, and in the areas that most people use. Obviously, to keep them safe, to keep them clean, clutter-free, trees, lighting, footpaths, and even inside your buildings, make sure the communal doors work, they lock, they do what they're supposed to do, the entrances are clean, the bin areas are clean, and the corridors, the lighting, the common areas. For example, some of the issues that we find, people commonly put their rubbish bag outside their door until they go down to their bins, which is practical, but from my point of view it's not, because you're putting your bag of rubbish into an area that's going to be used by all the other people coming and going, and I will then knock on your door and say, please take it inside until you're able to go down to the bin. Don't put your rubbish and spread your rubbish smells to everybody else.
Absolutely.
That's one of the common things that I find. The most common things that are wrong in the estate, the everyday things are, every now and again a light bulb will need to be repaired, to be fixed. Sometimes the doors may not function. You got a lot of contractors on the estate. Some naughty person may have wedged the door open so everybody's coming and going. These are the common things, but there could be closer things, other things like in a lot of the communal areas you've got lots of tiles, just to make it clean, and sometimes you get broken tiles, you might get broken floor tiles, stairs, the nosing on stairs, that kind of thing. You follow what I mean?
You kind of answered it. So they're very important, and it's a way of respecting the estate. And I'm sure residents come to you and say, "Oh, a neighbour has left their bag outside." So it's important that the residents respect each other. So you've kind of answered. It's very important.
Yeah.
And how do you follow up on issues you spot?
Yeah. Another good question. So there's lots of different things. Like if I was come across rubbish. Just a common bag of rubbish outside somebody's door, I'll ask them to remove it themselves. If they're not in, I'll take it down to the chute or the bin area, just to keep it clean. If it's a repair, I'll raise it when I come back to the office. I'll sit down at my desk and go through everything that I found for that day. If it needs to go to the repairs team, I'll take it to the repairs team. They may then instruct the lighting engineers or the door engineers, whichever person that needs to do that job will be instructed to come along and to do that service. Sometimes you get bulk rubbish outside the building. Somebody's put their broken fridge freezer or a broken dishwasher outside for somebody to take away. They haven't turned up, so we will ask our bulk refuse to come along and please, can you tidy up on your next turn up to that estate.
And I see often, certainly not on the estate, like mattresses. What is it with mattresses? You see them everywhere. So it's you kind of oversee it, but I guess it's also very important for residents to keep in touch with you, and they contact you, don't they?
This is going to be our next question. Sorry to jump ahead. We're going to say why is it important for residents to be involved? Because I might be around your estate for an hour a day,
Yeah.
or even an hour a week.
Yes.
I may be somewhere else. I may not even get to you for that week. So we're asking you as residents to get involved, because you could be there every day. You will see things that I might miss. I might not see that mattress till Friday, and it's been there since Monday. Let me know, get involved, come along and see what I do, get involved, be part of the process, and help us to keep this estate in a good
Yes.
level of maintenance and good level of cleanliness. You will see from your eyes as a resident, and I will see in my eyes, from an RBKC. I might be just doing, a form filling exercise. I might not see the things that you see every day. So please come along, get involved, and help us to keep this estate at a high level of maintenance, cleanliness, and a pleasant place to come and live and work and visit.
Yeah, and certainly since you've come along, I'll say things have really improved. Like, for instance, we're by Barrington. How will they know that there's a state inspection? Are they warned? Or?
Yeah, if it's not already on the notice board, we put on dates for the whole year. If it's not already on there, it will be on there by next week. So we will do each block at least once a month. Even though we might walk through it several times a week, the actual inspection is recorded once a month.